what is the method that I should be following when you're building a business? A lot of entrepreneurs, business owners, or people who have even been in business for a very long time sometimes get caught into understanding what are the steps needed to build a successful business. I'm going to take you through what these exact steps are so that you don't get caught up in doing the wrong thing at the wrong time and not having what we call here at Growth Architecture optimal alignment. My name is Beate Chelette. I am the growth architect, and I work with visionaries and leaders to help them to grow their authority so that they can scale their impact. So one of the things that seems to be often misunderstood is what exactly the steps are, step by step, that I need to build a business. I'm the growth architect, so I like blueprints and I like processes, strategies, journey maps, because that's just how my brain works. And that is what you can take advantage of. So let's talk about what the steps are. The first piece is always the growth strategy. What is the overall strategy? It's determined by where you are today and by where you want to go. You need the strategy that's going to get you from point A to point B. The second piece that you need is the growth system. Here, especially for service providers, coaches, consultants, anybody in the service industry, marketers, anybody who provides a service, they get often caught in the trap that they have so many things that they could do or are already offering, but they're doing that without a cohesive system. Without a cohesive system, all you do is just throwing a bunch of ideas at your customers or your prospects, and you hope that something is going to stick. With a system, we build an umbrella over all your offer so that all the pieces that you're doing fit under this umbrella. This is what I do as the growth architect. And we design your growth system. So you have the strategy that gets you from here to there. You got the system, which is kind of what you offer, how you offer it. It's the language, the unique differentiation factor. And then and only then comes the third step, and that is building your growth authority. Growth authority is, again, a set of systems and processes that we put in place, and we have a mastermind that we created just for that will help you to actually take these blueprints that we already have created, and we give them to you, where you then can only follow step by step by step. I only do 2 pieces of content and I have 50 touch points every single week. Wouldn't you like to know how to do that? If this is something that's interesting to you, go ahead and fill out the uncovery session. Go to uncoverysession.com. Let me know what's going on in your business, and I'll be more than happy to help. But back to putting this all together for you. So I really want to make sure this sticks and that you're clear what business building or business growth is. Strategy first. The growth strategy comes first. There's so many different strategies out there. You want to pick one per quarter. The second piece is the system, the growth system. What is it that you're offering? And the third piece is building your authority so that you can stop being the best kept secret. Thank you so much for watching. This is Beate Chelette, the growth architect. For any comments or questions, please like this video, leave the comments below, and I'll be happy to reach out and start a conversation with you. Here to help. Thank you. Bye-bye.